Nagbibigay ba ng resibo yan? Hindi.
Meron.
Meron ba? Ang galing, no?
Parang kanina binigyan yung babae, di ba?
Hindi.
Ah, hindi. Ilang oras yan daw? 3 hours.
Depende kung gusto mo 1 hour, 2 or 3.
Oh, 3 hours na lang. Ang ganda.
Ayos na.
Ayos na. Oh, bayad na kayo. Thank you very much. 350 for 3 hours.
Hindi,
2 hours lang ha?
2 hours, 350 kami.
Oh yeah, okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Enjoy. All right. We're now paying 1 to 3. So how many you need me? Just 3 hours? 3 hours tayo, yeah. Pay with card. Wow. Enter license plate 89. Can you read that? 89602 896 02 DV 89602. Okay. Please confirm that is correct. All transactions are final. Verifying plate status. Or maybe just 89602. I don't know. Add time 3 hours. Total cost for 2 hours. No, I want 3 hours. What? Maximum rates. Okay. So yeah, 1 to 4 p.m. That's good, man. Oh, okay. And then next, insert card. Wow. Card error. Try again. Wow.
Nakita ko kasi may mga ano dito card.
Approved. 1 to 4 p.m. to 4 p.m. Yeah. Text receipt. Enter your mobile number 619-399-9585. Wow. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Oh, that's good. Now we will start walking from the beginning. Start from here, and then what's next? You're gonna walk me, huh? Oh, me, huh? Can you hold this? No, pakita pa sa akin.
Ganyan?
Yeah, have to face. Yeah. Okay, let's go and walk. Oh, I have to lock the car, man. Okay. Very nice, huh?
Yeah, kami ito pag bilang sa
Very nice weather, very cool air. Whew. What do you think about today, May? It's very nice. Okay, the time now is 1:05. Crack Taco Shop. What's the name of that? Crack Taco Shop. I will buy Coke me. Tara, may baon tayo. Ha? Ito, I have bag. No, it's better here.
La 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 la.
Can you paste to me? You do. $3.95 for Coca-Cola.
Really, they're about 20.
Almost $4.
Bago ka nagdala?
No, ito mo. That's for the economy of San Diego, man. You have to spend. Nilagay mo sa bag. Yan. Wala yung lakad natin eh. Okay, good. I didn't know that you're coming.
Tindahan na yan, oh.
Yeah, I didn't know that you're coming here. That's why I didn't have my backpack. Next time you have to let me know, man. I'm okay to walk today, I see. See, I'm walking. I'm twisting my knee.
Tindahan na parang di ma-stress yung paa mo.
Dahan-dahan lang.
Yeah.
Seaport Village.